Hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel. We are testing Claude with its new Fable 5 release. Now, as it's just been released, we're gonna test and see how powerful it is to create our very own Temple Run app. We're gonna code this fully in Claude and get this live online for you to share with your friends within a couple of minutes. So stick around because this one is gonna be a good one. Okay, so first things first, we are in Claude and we are gonna just make sure that we are clicking Fable 5. As you can see, it reads for your toughest challenges. Now, the strongest one before this was Opus 4.8. If you haven't already researched into Fable 5, it is phenomenal. And it will get into the most complex tasks and execute them as fast and efficient as possible. So we're gonna click it. We're just gonna type in, please create a detailed, fun Temple Run game themed around space using just HTML. Now again, we use HTML just to get this app live as fast as possible. So we're gonna hit run and see what happens. So we hit run and we're just gonna click and look into this app. And as you can see, we have the Cosmic Runner. So we're just gonna click launch and give this a go. You can move left and right, you can jump. Oh, and we've died. And then our score is 726. Okay, and we can run again. And we've got some nice little themes. So as you can see, it's created a game very, very fast using HTML. Now again, I've just had, the first time we run this, it didn't really perform as fast. So I just clicked fix errors and then it did perform. So sometimes you just have to make sure it just checks itself a couple times to make sure that it's producing a working game. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just, in a new chat, ask the exact same question, but we're gonna run on Opus 4.8. So we're gonna hit run and see what the difference is. Opus 4.8 has just come back with its app and we can see it has a nice menu. We're gonna hit launch and see what it is. So again, hasn't really performed. It said we got wrecked, so we can run again. I'm just gonna say, just how I did on the last one, fix errors, and let's see if Claude can read into the errors and detect and fix. Now it is fixed. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit start one more time and double check that it's fixed. There is rational, it can go left and right, it can go up, it can go down. Honestly, I think it's good. I think you can't feel it, but there is a slight delay on it. Compared to the Fable 5, you can see the character is a lot more animated. Overall, you can see the difference, but in all fairness, Opus 4.8, I think is a really strong contender. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna download this HTML file because this is only running on our Claude and we want to share it with our friends. Right now, we cannot do that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to download the HTML file. We're going to head over to TinyHost where I always upload my projects just because you can get it live quick. We're going to hit upload file. We're going to hit publish and within seconds we're live. We can view it, we can play the game and we can share it with our friends. Now, again, one thing I usually like to do is either use the QR code to share with my friends on TinyHost, or if I want to start seeing who is using this game, where they're using it, go into analytics, go on track links and create a track to link. Say we've got a friend called Sam, we can create that link and we can track when Sam opens this, when he views it. So again, if you're doing other projects or apps or whatever, TinyHost is a great tool to use just because simply you can get it live quick and you can share it and use so many tools within it. And that is basically how you get the Cosmic Runner Temple Run game built with Claude live using Fable 5 all within a matter of minutes. And there you have it, using Claude Fable 5 to create a Temple Run app and then getting it live to share with your friends. Now, as you can see, we compared Fable 5 with Claude's past strongest AI update, and clearly Fable 5 was the winner. So guys, let me know your thoughts below, what apps you would create using Fable 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.